The Stickman Faceless YouTube niches are one of the most popular channels on YouTube right now. I myself have made a lot of videos on how to start a faceless YouTube channel on different topics like finance, inspiration, and psychology niches with the Stickman style. But you guys have a lot of questions in the video, so because of that, I decided to make this video, which is going to be like a master tutorial for anybody that wants to start a Stickman style or faceless channel. So basically everything you're going to learn here you can use to start any niche of your choice. Before we jump into the step-by-step tutorial, let me just quickly show you what you are going to be learning in this video.
You know that moment when you sit down to learn something new, and within minutes, your mind starts drifting. You read the same sentence 3 times. You watch a tutorial, but halfway through you realize you've been thinking about something completely different. And the strange part is, it doesn't always mean you're lazy. Because there are people—
Alright guys, like this video if you want me to make more stuff like this, and let's jump into the step-by-step tutorials straight up. Now the first thing you need to do on any niche or idea you're going into is to first of all get inspiration. So we are going to be using this channel for inspirational purposes. First of all, you take a screenshot and then you come to ChatGPT. Upload the screenshot and basically ask ChatGPT to analyze this channel and tell you why the videos are getting a lot of views, and also give you video ideas that are similar to this channel. It basically takes ChatGPT less than 5 seconds, and then it will start crafting you very good ideas. All you just need to do is go to them and pick one that you like. For me, I'm going to be going with how to learn anything 10x faster, a very interesting idea. So what you just need to do is copy the idea just like this. Now I've already created a Google Doc file where I've created prompts that you're going to use to generate your script, visuals, and all the important things you need to make your videos. All you just need to do is click on the link in the video description and you're going to have access to it. So when you come to the Google Doc file, the first link you're going to see here is the master prompt that you're going to use to generate your script. So this is what you need to do first. Come to where you see topic and idea and basically clean this idea, which is how to learn anything 10x faster, and put your own idea here. You have to change this or otherwise you're going to be making the same kind of script as me. So make sure you change this to your own idea and you're good to go. Now just highlight the entire script like this and copy it. So now we have the script, we need to log into ChatGPT back and basically just paste that prompt on a new tab like this and click on enter. Immediately, ChatGPT will understand exactly what you want, and then you'll start crafting a very interesting and engaging script. So this is what you need to do next. Copy the entire script, or better still, what I like to do is just go back to the Google Doc file and copy the next prompt, which is your visual prompt, a very important prompt. So when you copy this prompt, come back to ChatGPT and paste it below your script, and then need to immediately understand what you want, and then you'll start crafting your prompts to generate your images. For me, I'm not going to be generating the entire script images, but I'm just going to go with maybe the first paragraph. All right, so the next step is to generate our images and also generate our voiceover, and we are going to be using Wondershare Filmora. If you want to access Filmora, you can use the link in the video description below. Now, this is what you need to do. First of all, you open Wondershare and click on New Project here. Then it's going to bring you to the editing timeline. Now this is what you need to do. First of all, to generate your images, come to where you see stock media at the top here and basically look for AI media. Now when you click on that, you need to come down to where you see AI image here. Once you click on that, before you do anything, you need to first of all select your model. So for me, I'm going to be using Nano Banana 2, which is the new version. As you can see, I have Nano Banana Pro and also Standard 2.0. For me, we're going to be going with Nano Banana 2.0. As you can see, I've generated a lot of images in the past. Now what you just need to do is to first of all add an image of what you want your images to look like, your character, if you have a character that you want to create something similar. So for me, I'm going to be adding this character I saved. Don't worry, I'm going to be adding it in the Google Doc file so you can use it. So now that you have the image here, what you just need to do now is to go back to ChatGPT and basically copy your first prompt. Come back to Filmora and paste it here. Now the next thing you need to do is to change some settings. First is to select the resolution and aspect ratio. For the resolution, we are going to be going with 1080p, but as you can see here, you can go for a higher resolution. And then for the aspect ratio, we are making this video for YouTube long form, so we are going to be going with 16:9 here. And when you're done with this setting, the next thing you need to do is to click on Generate. As you can see, it charges 30 credits to generate a single image. The step I just showed you is the exact step that I use in generating all these images you see here. Now that you're done generating all your images, what you just need to do is to basically download all of them, which is to click on this button. Then you're going to see the plus button here, which is to add. It means you've successfully downloaded the images. Now, for us to proceed to the next step, we need to first of all generate our voiceover. And to do that, just click on audio here and then come down to where you see text to speech. Click on it and basically just click on here. So you're gonna have this page where you're basically going to paste your script. So all you just need to do is go back to where you saved your script and copy it. Then come back to Filmora, paste it here, and go to the voice library to pick the voice that best fits your preferences. For me, I'm gonna be going with Mike. And when you're done with that, you can just click on Generate, which is going to cost you 54 credits. Alright, so Filmora is done generating the voiceover for us. And the reason why I like it so much is that it also generates the caption along with the voiceover, which makes the work a lot easier when editing. Alright, so now that we have the images and also the voiceover, it's time for us to put the video together. First, what you just need to do to make the editing very easy is to first of all highlight the text, which is the caption, and drag it up like this. Now you have a space where you're going to be adding your images one after the other. Now, let me just quickly say that you can also convert these images into animation, but for the style we are going for today, it is the exact style of this channel, which is to basically use still images and follow the voiceover accordingly. So now this is what you need to do. Drag the first clip into the timeline like this, and first listen to the voiceover to know exactly where you need to cut this clip. For me, I'm going to be cutting this clip here. Now, when you have aligned the clip properly, you also need to go back and get the next clip, which is going to be here. And this is what you're basically going to do till you've added all the clips or images here like this. Now that's the same step that I've used to add all the images accordingly, as you can see here. Now I have decided to remove the caption because I just feel it's more engaging when there are no captions, but you can basically do whatever you want for your video. Now, if you follow exactly what I've shown you in this tutorial, you should be able to create the Stickman video on any kind of niche you want to go into. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section and I'll be looking at them. And don't forget to check out Wondershare Filmora.